Tonight, worries over a dangerous and deadly repeat of COVID outbreaks at nursing homes and long-term care facilities as a Delta variant tightens its grip.
It's very scary. Are we going to go through this all over again?
In Mississippi, where infections are soaring, health officials say there have been outbreaks in 72 nursing homes. And according to a local health officer in Indiana, 7 residents died from the virus at an unidentified facility where less than half of the staff was vaccinated. Nationwide, more than 80% of residents in nursing homes are now fully vaccinated. Among staff, the number is around 58%, and experts worry the unvaccinated group will contribute to the spread.
And then, we have a frail elderly population who got vaccinated very early. They may have some waning immunity, and put all of that together, and there's really just very large vulnerability for nursing homes.
Jody Merritt has to get tested twice a week before visiting her 83-year-old mother at a Florida nursing home.
They're going to go back to locking us out again. That was the most horrific year of my life. The isolation is the worst.
But the trends we're seeing now is a major shift from last year. The New York Times reporting that after vaccine rollouts from late December to early February, cases in nursing homes fell more than 80%, and the number of deaths dropped 65%. But back in Florida, growing challenges for people like Jody, caught in the vaccine divide.
It's frustrating because they don't realize that their behaviors are keeping us from our family members.
Kathy Park, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.